morning.
哎，好嘞，好嘞。好。
Yes. Good morning. We are in the toilet, in the bathroom. So it's
isn't copyright.
So our first night in China went pretty well. Actually, yesterday we tried snakeheads.
Oh yeah, it was great.
He even liked it.
I did.
Yeah, I didn't too much. Here's a video from the phone.
This is snakeheads, and let's see if it's good. Look at this. Doesn't that look lovely? It's really good.
Is it?
Yeah, it's really good. Kind of like chicken, but it's more tender. It's like, it's really good. I'm pleasantly surprised.
And now we're off to the first meeting. I hope it's gonna be great. Looking forward to see new EDM stuff. And the clip. See you there. It seems like they're not gonna finish these buildings, and there's a whole bunch of them also behind there. They're not gonna finish them. Maybe that can be my new shop. They're building stuff. Do you have any idea where we have to go?
He said this way.
He doesn't know though.
No, he does not.
He's taking a video to show them so they know where we are. Because we definitely don't know where we are. She's not at all like in the picture.
Hi, I'm David.
How you doing?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you guys?
Pretty
Very good, thank you.
Okay, our factory is over there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Hi, nice to meet you. Is what?
The children play the game, the ball.
Ah,
It's
okay.
throw into the ball.
Oh, cool.
Okay, cool.
Oh, nice CNC.
That's straight out of the machine.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, it's a 5-axis.
Yeah. Is this a rocket?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
Yeah, what is it?
这是什么 we don't know the specific using, just the work make as the customers.
Ah, okay, okay.
mind.
Ooh, look at that.
I like it.
Wow, did you make that? Well, of course. Very nice.
Yeah, that is impressive.
Did you make this?
Yes, we ever make.
Really?
Yeah, it's amazing.
车出来，
Since they can.
工艺品嘛，不能喝的，里面因为有
Sandblasted? Yes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's pretty heavy.
You like Chinese food or Western food?
Chinese would be good, I think. I want to try what you like.
Oh yeah, since come to China and try Chinese food.
Yeah, of course.
Do you guys eat something spicy?
Yeah, I do. Do you eat spicy?
And you?
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm not.
Okay. How old is your company?
5 years.
Oh, nice. Very good progress.
Yeah.
I like that everything is wrapped. He's trying to understand what to eat. It's not good. Look at his face. He's happy. Eating snake heads. That's what he likes.
Yes.
What is it?
I like chicken.
Yeah, I do like chicken too. Look at that speed. He's a professional.
It's what happens when you start filming, you know? This is really good. I have no clue what it is. What is this?
Ah, coconut. Okay. Because he said Coca-Cola. So here's what happened. It was really funny because David here told them that he ate snake heads, and she was like, ugh!
It was so racist. I thought it was a normal thing.
She was almost puking. Oh my god, that was fun. Okay, we're looking for the second company. Nice to meet you.
We have two factories. This is one of the factory.
Okay.
We produced the carbon fiber.
Okay. Oh, nice.
Yeah, this drum for agricultural farming.
Oh, okay.
Oh, agriculture.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
This product with WeChat, friend circle.
Oh, okay. So yeah, that's the picture. Oh,
Oh, that's cool.
that's crazy.
That's pretty big.
Yeah.
This is pretty good as well. An age squad?
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
I appreciate.
That's cool.
Oh, this is cute. Little one.
Yeah. It's super cute. Yeah, I recognize this.
Yeah. Gift.
Oh, thank you.
Wait, just a moment.
I can take this if you want.
This oil.
Thank you.
Thank you very
Nice.
much.
Okay, sit down, please.
Oh, I broke it.
Okay.
That is.
Crash test.
Here is the drum for farming demo 9. Same, but the color is different.
Yeah. It's just so cute.
Do you make these parts?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you sell these as kits?
Do you understand this drum? How to use this drum?
Yeah.
You know?
I know.
For farming, 那个 you know?
Or what do you mean? Like how to fly it? Or. Oh, holy crap. I mean, this is pretty darn cool stuff. The plastic. It's also, everything is just
Yeah.
special made and everything. That is so cool. This has to be been a big project, like, to design this from scratch. It had to be so much work.
This is model.
Yeah.
This model.
It is,
And
right?
this, and there is clear and there is round.
It's very smooth. Like the transition here is very smooth.
This is paper,
Ah, cool.
raw material.
Oh, it's pretty cool.
The carbon fiber you need unidirectional.
Unidirectional? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And material and raw.
Yeah.
Basically is 2.5.
Okay, so it's already stacked
So,
like that?
You can find this is very soft.
Yeah.
Very soft.
So here the resin becomes hard. It's also pressurized.
And if we need the glossy surface, we can get the different surface.
Yeah.
The carbon fiber surface. This is a motor. We are assembling the motor
On that
this
side,
side.
yeah.
Yeah.
So you don't know what the finish is?
But
It's bead blasted?
I don't how to call that English. Endoless.
Sand?
Right?
Sand? Sand blasted.
Endoless.
Okay, I'm really sorry, we're doing a really bad job filming this. But today we saw 4 factories.
yes.
Some were pretty janky. I think I filmed something there, but pretty fun. Also, we ate some.
Fantastic food. It was great.
Yeah,
It was
yeah.
super authentic. Like it was exactly what they eat every day. Not
Yeah, which
everything,
is
but
cool, but maybe not for me. But you liked it.
Yeah, I do. It was great.
So now we're pretty destroyed. We go back to the hotel, and maybe we're gonna do a first visit to the market.
I think
Yeah.
so. That'd be nice.
But tomorrow's gonna be the thing. Yeah. Should we end the vlog here?
I think so.
Good night.
Ciao.